guys, it's me Luigi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel because Corgis Red, we will having a red lights. No, it's me Luigi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for this video, we'll be having a reaction video for the Corgis Red music videos. So today is our comeback. So nagsabi sila ng NCT Wish. So NCT Wish ilalapag ko na din ngayon. So mag-upload din ako ng NCT Wish and Red Corgis right now. So my name is Luigi Victoria, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated with my every upload. So we will have a let's go reaction video. Let's go. So this is it. Oh, they are in the Sangyupsal. Oh my god, this is Martin, James. This is Sangyeon. Comment down below who is your bias in Corgis because my bias is Joohon and Kyunho. Oh my god guys, I love the green and red of Corgis. You know, this is so random, guys. Random cute. What's this? Is this James? Oh my god. The face card never declined. Oh my god. What's up with that? Oh my god, you know, I think siya yung si Martin yung pinakamatangkad sa Corgis member. I love James also. Ang ganda ng face card niya. Hawak mo, hindi. Pero ang ganda. Ang ganda yung pagkakashoot, yung pagkaka-edit, yung ano, lahat. Ang ganda. Pag nakikita ko talaga yung ano niya, ang ganda. Yung smell. Mga members and comment down below is your bias, ganyan, ang ganda. Oh my god, may two babies. Joohon yun. Kasi maliit yung face ni Joohon. Wala pa akong thumbnail. Ito na lang, sila na lang. Bilis naman, hindi ko sila maano. Ayan, yung smell ni ano. Sila na. Yun, no? What? Oh my god, so that's the end of our video. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to bell. Bye guys, stream this. Love you all.